Assalamu alaikum students. Today our lecture will be on adding and subtracting fractions. Adding and subtracting fractions. So let's suppose we have a given a 1 by 4. So in a square, if I write this as in a square, 1 by 4, you can understand it like this, and this. Let me draw it completely, no? So you can understand it. So it's like this key. Basically, we are covering. Uh, you can see in a vertical there are uh, there are three lines, no? So if I cover this part, no? So and this part and this part and this part and this part. So it become a one by four, 1/4 part of this. Or and as you are seeing, it's a adding and a subtracting fraction. So we also have given us some kind of like this 2 by 5, no? So you can understand it 2 by 5 is like this. If I write in a square way, it's like similarly three vertical lines, and there are four horizontal lines. These may I write like this. So it's like this. It's covering like when if you want to understand your 2 by 5, it's like first part, second part, third part, uh, and fourth part and fifth part. So we are basically covering two parts, no? So it's like this. Out of a 5, we are covering just two parts. So it becomes 2 by 5, and you can see in a vertical way we are basically have a first part, second part, third part and a fourth part. So we are covering first part, so it become a 1 by 4. So it's 1/4. So when we add these, it's like this. So some big square like this. One, two, three, and four. So when we add 1 by 4 and 2 by 5, we will get it's a 13 by 20. So let's see what's the 13 by 20. So it's like this, no? We are basically covering 13 box. In a last, you will get when you add these boths. So let me write it in a correct way so you can. It's 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5, and you will get 13 by 20. So you will Here are basically 20 square boxes, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we will cover 13 boxes here. In a final answer, we will cover 13 boxes. So these are basically 5, and these are 5, and then in last you will get these boxes. No, 7. So you will get this. So it's a 13 by 20. Good. So what's the technique to get the 13 by 20? So let's see the technique now. How we'll get 13 by 20 now. So in an equivalent, it's an equivalent fraction. You can use the equivalent fraction technique. Let me write equivalent fraction. It's a technique to add or subtract the fractions. So when we are giving 1 by 4, it's like 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5. You can we want the same denominator, no? So we will multiply 1 by 4 in a numerator by 5, and 4 by 5, and plus 2 by 4, and 5 into 4. So you will get 5, 4 into 5, you will get 20, plus 2 into 4, it's 8, 5 into 4, you will get 20. So in the last, you will add 5 plus 8, it's 13 by 20. So I think the above way was some kind of a difficult way uh, to add these fractions, but I was just hoping you can understand what I was saying. In above, in above, in above, you can see this part is like this. This this part is like this, and the remaining part is like this part. I think so. Or you can see by yourself. So we have an example. This was just a concept. What was we are doing? Now we have an example. We have given an example. So 6.11, 6.11, 6.11. Work out these. Work out these. So like A, 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6. 5 by 6. So the solution of this is now we want the denominator should be the same. So here is the 3 denominator, and here is the 6 denominator. The below number is a denominator number, so we can multiply this number with the 2 into 2, 3 into 2, so plus 5 by 6. So 2 into 2, it's 4, plus 3 into 2, it's 6, plus 5 by 6. In last, you will get 4 plus 5, it's 9 by 6. So in last, it's like this: 3 into 3, and 3 into 2, because 9 is a multiple of a 3 and 6 is a multiple of a 3, so we can write it like as a multiple of a 3. So we will cancel 3 and 3. So in the last, we will get 3 by 2. So this is what. So in a this was just in a proper fraction. So if you want to write it like mixed number, so it will become like this. It's a 1 whole and 1 by 2. 1 whole and 1 by 2. This is 0.5. So let me explain some other example. So this was just an addition. We were doing just a addition. So now we will do the subtraction also. So let's see. We have given an example. Example 6.11. We have a question. Work out these. So the example is like this. B is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So simple. Make the denominator the same. No? So here 3 into 3, 4 into 3, minus 1, 1 into 4, 3 into 4. So you can see 4 into 3 or 3 into 4, these are the same numbers. So 9 by 12 minus 4 by 12. So 9 minus 4, you will get 5 by 12. Or if you want the technique, so it's like this. We are getting the LCM of 4 and 3. It's a least and a common and a multiple. The least common multiple of 4, 3 and 4 and 3 is 12. So let's do the part C. So given a part C, 2, 3 by 5 plus 1 by 3. So the solution, let's see. So 5 into 2, it's 10. 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3, it's 13. So the solution, 13 by 5. And basically these are the mixed numbers, so we are converting into a proper fraction. So 3 into 1, it become 3 into 1, it's 3, plus 1, it become a 4. 4 by 3. So 13, so 13 into 3 and 5 into 3 plus 4 into 5 and 3 into 5. So you can just understand it like this. 3 into 13, you will get 39, and 5 into 3, you will get 15, plus 4 into 5, you will get 20, and 3 into 5, you will get 15. So in the last, you will get how much? It's 49. I think so. No, it's 59. So it's 59. 59 by 15. So the idea is we want it in a simplified way. We have to simplify this. No? So 45 plus 14. So and divided by 15. So 45 plus 14, it's 49, 59. So 45 divided by 15, you will get 3, and 14 divided by 15, you will get this. So it's a 3 and a 14 by 15. Like this. So next we have a part D. Part D. It's a 3 whole and 1 by 4. It's a minus 15. No, it's a 1 whole and 5 by 6. So let's do it. The solution, 4 into 3, it's 12, 12 plus 1, it's 13. We will get 13 by 4. So 6 into 1, it's 6 plus 5, you will get 11, minus 11 by 6. So uh, if if we want to do the if we want to as I'm saying, uh, first of all we have a LCM of 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 you can like do it like this. So 2, you will get 2 and 3, and next is 2, we will get 1, and no division by 3. So next we will divide by 3. So it's like this, 2 into 2 it's 4, 4 into 3 it's 12. So the LCM is 12. So 4 into 3, if we want to multiply 4 with the 3, the idea is to make the denominator the same. 4 into 3 minus 11 by 6 into 6 into, it's 6 into 3. So next you will get 13 by 12. I think so. There is some mistake below. So let me correct it. So it's not like this. Let me correct it. Let me correct it. So let's correct it. So the correction is 6 into 2. So basically we will multiply so above the same, because we are on the cancellation. That's why 11 into 2. So in the last you will get let's see, it's like this. 13 into 3 it's a 39. 4 into 3 it's 12, minus 22 divided by 12. So 39 minus 22, it's 9 minus 2, you will get 7. 3 minus 2, you will get 1. So in the last you will get 17 by 12. So that's the answer. Or let me do it, simplify it, the most simplification. In an exam we want the most the simplified answer. So you will write like 12 plus 5 divided by 12. So you will get 1, 5 by 12. 1 whole and 5 by 12. So let's do it. No? Note. Note is like this you should always give your final answer. Final answer as a fraction in its simplest form.